Open the video. See children, today we are going to see only USC open the video. What about others? Open the video. Without opening the video, today I am not going to start the class. How many of you opened the video? Raise up your hand. Am I audible only, no children? Shakti and all open the video. I cannot see. Wait.
Yes.
Suhida, Sanjit, Swadi, Jayasree, Sriridhish, Yuvasree. Then what about others? They don't have the video option. Daily do we want to ask you to open the video, open the video. Huh? Shakti, Monish. Then who else? Open the video, everyone. Open the video. See children, you see at the down of the classroom whether you can see what I am saying is typed in down. Can you see children in the down of the class? If you are using mobile, you can see whatever I am saying. It is typed in English. Can you see? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. That is good. See children, today we are going to see subject verb agreement. What do you mean by subject verb agreement? What is subject? What is verb? What is a subject, children?
Now, subject is start.
Ma'am? Ma'am, can you tell ma'am? Ma'am?
Ma'am, here in mute, ma'am. Ma'am, here in mute.
Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
It's subject and verb. What is a subject? The doer of an action is subject. The action what subject is known as verb. That we know that. So what is the connection with the subject to verb and verb to subject? If subject and verb, it has a connection. That is what is known as subject verb agreement. What connection it has? If the subject is singular, got it children? If the subject is singular, what will happen? The verb also will be singular. That is what is known as subject verb agreement. What is it? If the subject is singular, the verb also will be singular. If the subject is singular, what will happen? The verb also will be singular. That is what is known as subject-verb agreement. Got it, children? Sriridhish, say Sriridhish, what is subject-verb agreement? What is subject-verb agreement? Sriridhish, am I audible? Sriridhish, am I audible? Then Shakti say what is subject verb agreement?
If the subject is singular, the verb will be also singular, ma'am.
If the subject is singular, the verb that follow the subject is also singular. That is what is known as subject verb agreement. For example, I will write she eats a mango. So who is the subject here? She.
She.
Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So if the subject is singular, who is the subject here in this sentence? Who is the subject? Very good. She is the subject. She is the subject. Then what will happen? Already we know that the subject is singular. Whether she is singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular. Very good. She is singular. So it follows the verb eats. Whether eats is a singular or plural, children?
Plural.
It's also a singular. Suppose நம்ம வந்து பக்கத்து s இருக்குன்னே பார்த்தா sometimes we feel that it is a plural. It is not like that. It is plural. It is singular. Understood? It is not in the same as in the case of noun. Noun இப்ப mango. Mango the plural add பண்ண plural ஆக்கணும். We can add s. Mango, mangoes, apple, apples likewise. But it is not in the case of verb. Verb s or es இருந்திருந்தா அது singular. S அல்ல es இருக்காட்டி இருந்தா அது plural. Got it? So eats அது singular ஆ plural ஆ இப்போ சொல்லு.
Singular.
Singular, very good. So singular verb is always go with the singular subject. Singular subject is always go with the singular verb. So she eats a mango. She is singular. Eats is singular. So a mango. What is a mango? Mango's role is what is here? She is subject. Eats is verb. Then mango na enna varum parts of speech la?
Object, ma'am.
Object. Okay, so she eats a mango. She eats a mango in that sentence. She is singular, so we can use eats a singular verb. Another one example, we eat those mangoes. We eat those mangoes. What is the eat we here? Subject. Singular or plural?
Plural, ma'am.
Plural. So what comes here? Eat comes here. Eat also a plural verb. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will give some examples now. You take your pen and rough note. I will write for 3 examples. I will write here. Examples, not exercises. You write it. Okay. I that no. They see the exercises I will give you later. This point you understood, children. What is subject verb agreement? If the singular subject follows the singular verb, if the verb is plural, it follows the plural verb. That is what is known as subject of agreement. So there are some exceptional cases are there. Sometimes we feel that but singular subject is there. Even it plural verb. In such exceptional cases, we will see now. First, what is the first rule? A singular subject follows the singular verb. Next, plural subject always follows the plural verb. That is the two basic rules of subject-verb agreement. Suppose, in some cases, there are two or more subjects. Okay, example. Mrs. and Mr. Gupta are going to the market. So what is the case here? There are two or more singular subjects are joined together. There we can use plural verb. So example. Mrs. and Mr. Gupta are going to market. So here Mrs. and Mr. Gupta. So two singular subjects are there. It was joined by an. So we are considering it as plural. No need to clap and all. Stop clapping. Who is sending emojis? I can see the names here. So please avoid it. So plural. Here two singular subjects are there. It was joined by a conjunction and. So what happened? It is considering as the plural subject and we are using plural verb. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? So second rule is there. Two singular subjects. It's joined by and. We can use the plural verb. Next rule is, what is the next rule? Some words are there, children. Everybody, somebody, nobody, anybody, and everyone. So whether you say, children, whether it is a singular words or plural words, what are the things? Everybody, everybody. Can you see, children? Everybody, somebody, nobody,
Anybody.
anybody, anyone.
Yes.
Anybody and anyone. Whether it is a singular or plural, children, these words say,
Plural.
Plural, ma'am.
these are we may feel that it is plural verbs. Actually, it is not plural. It is singular one only. All these things are considering it as a singular subject. What subject? Singular subject. Understood? Singular subject. So, what verb we can use here? We can use singular verb. So, everybody, somebody, nobody, anybody, anyone. All these are singulars. So we can use what kind of a verb? We can use singular verb. Example. We can use singular verb. So in the class in the day വിളിക്കുക. So we can use, am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
we can use singular verb. Example. Nobody is perfect in this field. Example, lock it, keep your camera properly. Nobody is perfect. So nobody is a singular. So we can use singular verb is. Is a singular or plural?
Singular.
Say is a singular.
Singular.
Is singular. Is singular. Is singular ആണ്. Singular is in the plural എന്നപ്പാ?
R.
Are. Very good, very good. So nobody is perfect in this world. So that is nobody. What are the things we are treating as, what are the words we are treating as singular? Everybody, somebody, nobody, anybody.
Anybody.
Very good, very good. These are we are considering as singular and it follows the singular verb. Next one example, nouns joined by and. Two nouns are there. It is joined by and, A and D, and. Suppose Girija. Girija and Bharani. Dash friends. How to write that one? Girija and Bharani. Is or are will come there, children. You say whether it is is or are.
R.
Are very
Or
two
none.
nouns. What is the rule there? Two nouns joined with and. It will take a plural
Verb.
verb. Very good. Girija and Bharani are friends, or Girija or Bharani are neighbors. That we can use in that cases. What is the rule there? Two nouns joined together with and, it will take a plural verb. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. So what is subject verb agreement? Once again we can revise. What is subject verb agreement?
The subject, singular subject follows with singular verb is called a subject verb agreement.
Yes. Singular subject falls with a singular verb and plural subject falls with a plural verb. That is known as, that is the basic rule of subject verb agreement. This subject verb agreement is otherwise known as concord. Okay, concord. Its another name is concord. So first rule, what we said, everybody, somebody, nobody, anybody and anyone take a singular verb. Next, nouns joined by and take a plural verb. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, fine. Next rule. If the subjects are joined with, next rule, or or nor, 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 either, 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 and neither, neither. So if the subjects are joined by or, nor, either or neither, the verb agrees with the subjects near to it. அப்போ ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ்ல யார் என்னெல்லாம் வந்திருக்கு? or இருக்கு, அல்லாட்டி நோர் இருக்கு, or either neither. அப்ப ரெண்டு சப்ஜெக்ட் இருக்கு. அந்த ரெண்டு சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் எப்படி எக்ரி பண்ணும்? So how it is agree with the verb ன்னு கேட்டா என்ன சொல்லலாம்? The subject near to the where. That is very difficult for you to understand. Through the one example I will explain. Example. Neither 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 he or his sister was there. So what is he, children? Neither he or his sisters, or we told அப்போ ஒரு sentence listen in a sentence or nor either neither. Among these any one is coming, what will happen? The subject near to it. அப்ப இதில் எந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ்னு பக்கமா இருக்கிற சப்ஜெக்ட் சிங்குலரா or ப்ளூரலா அது பார்த்துட்டு தான் என்ன வரும்? இங்க verb வரும். So here he is a subject, he is the subject here near to the word neither. So what we can use there?
Singular verb.
Singular verb was. Got it, children? Suppose neither. Another one example I say. He or his friends are not there. So how it came? He or his friends. Or no பக்கத்து யார் இருக்கு?
Friends.
His friends. His friends. அது வந்து என்ன இருக்கும்? Plural.
Plural.
Okay, very good, very good. அப்போ pluralனா என்ன வரணும் இங்கே? Plural verb வரணும்.
Plural verb, ma'am.
புரியுதா? Okay, you can ask me the doubt. ma'am. First sentence or வந்தப்போ singular வந்தேன். ஆனா second sentence or வந்தப்போ plural வந்தேன். What is the reason, children? The or, nor, either, neither இந்த words வந்து எப்படி subject agreemental வரும்? அதுக்கு பக்கத்து இருக்கிறவர் யாருன்னு பார்த்துட்டு அதுதான் இங்கே என்ன வரும்? சப்ஜெக்ட் என்ரிச்மெண்ட் சாரி சப்ஜெக்ட் எக்ரிமெண்டில் யூஸ் பண்ணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஓர்னு பக்கத்து ஹிஸ் சிஸ்டர் இருந்தே, ஹிஸ் சிஸ்டர்னா சிங்குலர், அப்போ வாஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணி. செகண்ட் ஓர்னு பக்கத்து ஹிஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இருந்தேன், அப்போ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்னா என்ன வரும்? ப்ளூரல். அதுக்கு தான் இங்கே ஆர் யூஸ் பண்ணி. Got it, children? So, what is the rule defined there? If the subjects are joined by or, nor, either, neither, the verb agrees with the subject near to it. The verb agree with the subject near to it. Verb in பக்கத்து என்ன subject இருக்குனோ அந்த subject it will accept. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now you just revise. Now you just revise what I told today. First thing, subject verb agreement. What is a subject? What is a verb? That is the first thing I mentioned. What is a subject? What is a verb? So what is a subject here? What do you mean by subject of a sentence?
Doer of the work.
Doer of the work, ma'am.
Doer of an action. How to say doer of an action? Doer of an action is known as subject. That action is known as verb. Got it? So what is subject verb agreement?
Subject follows with singular subject follows with singular verb and plural subject follows with plural verb is called a subject verb agreement, ma'am.
Very good. Plural subject flows with a singular verb and plural subject falls with a plural verb. That is what is known as subject verb agreement. That is the basic rule of subject verb agreement. Pranika is on leave today. Pranika. Pranika. Priyanka is there. Okay, that is the first rule we learned. What is the second rule we learned?
The words everybody, anybody, nobody
The
are
words
singular.
everybody, somebody, nobody,
Are
anyone,
singular, so the verbs are singular,
singular
ma'am.
verb. Very good. Next one, nouns joined by and take a plural verb. Got it?
plural.
Third one, if subjects are joined by or, nor, either, neither, the verb agrees with the subjects near to it. Got it, children? Three rules.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next rule is the title of a book, play a drama, play, story, or musical composition, even though plural, takes a singular verb. ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു ബുക്കിന്റെ ടൈറ്റില് ഒരു ഡ്രാമ ടൈറ്റില് അല്ലെ ഒരു മ്യൂസിക്കൽ കമ്പോസിഷൻ ടൈറ്റില് ഇതെല്ലാം വന്നിരുന്ന പിന്നെ സെന്റൻസ് we will use it as a singular. The Othello. Othello is a famous drama of Shakespeare. So the Othello is a good drama. We will say like that. Okay, we never use plural there. So that is not in a regular usage nowadays. Next usage. Well, I think 5 usage is enough for today. If we learn all everything, we will forget. Okay. So shall I give the classwork, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write the heading subject verb agreement.
Ma'am, in writing column, ma'am.
Classwork, grammar section. VE the subject verb agreement. I will post the classwork in your WhatsApp group, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Nine day I have posted where it is reached, children.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Nice
It
to meet,
came.
nice to see you there. Start to write it in the classwork grammar part.
Yes.
2 pages I have posted. Whether you received, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We received.
Yes, ma'am.
10th C ல கிஷோர் அதுக்குள்ளார ஏதோ ஒண்ணு அனுப்பி வச்சிருக்கு பாரு. கிஷோர் கிளாஸ்ல இருந்து என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு? Tenth everybody completed the form, children?
Yes, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
After writing, post it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself, children. Mute yourself. Who is traveling and attending the class?
Ma'am, in second page, you ticking only word right, ma'am.
என்ன?
Ma'am, you're sending on second page, no, ma'am. Ma'am, that even you 2, 3
What I told,
seven
that's it.
each.
That is it. എന്റെ ദൈവമേ. ഇതുണ്ടോ?
Ma'am, in first page, I have 5, in second page, 7, ma'am. Will continue, ma'am.
Ma'am, sixth point is not visible in second page, ma'am.
ഒരു നിമിഷം. Sixth no need, pa. Seventh and eighth.
Okay, ma'am. Yourself.